And as you can tell by this title, we got us some bundles or a wig. Which one is it? Which one is it? You finna find out. And where the her from, girl? I see her. Cause we see her. And I'm gonna review it. Yep. Okay. If you're new here, I'm Ramona Nicole. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. And if you return, and what's up with it, gang? Because you'll be my ride or die for life. Period. Let's get into it. So, I ain't got no leave in besides some ponytail, but I mean, okay, so the hair company is ISee Princess. I didn't know it was Princess because when I looked it up, it was ISee hair, but ISee Princess, you know, it says 100% human hair. They say Google us, Google us, Google us. Period. It's in this bubble packaging because they're making sure their boxes don't get bent. And it also came in this DHL bag, you know, the usual. It is an AliExpress hair company. This is not getting damaged. Like, can you see how thick that is? The box right here. Look how thick that is. So, packaging, a 10. But now let's get into this hair. I'm weak, so we finna cut this. And I got nails. So, and they got it duct taped right here. Like, they're not playing no games with y'all. Yeah. Okay, they could have made it a little easier. Okay. Woo! Hard part out the way. Wait, do this one. Lion King, please do not copyright me. Thank you. Oh, y'all, the box is cute. It's marble, pink and gold, you know. Boom. Links all their socials. 100% human hair. Oh no, this box hard too. And I'm over here dropping stuff. Yeah. Let's see if scissors open this because I don't have time. Okay, just want to see some hair. Yeah, probably like, shit, you can tell. You right. You so right. Can't do nothing. So, there's stuff coming out the box. Let me see. This right here. Let's see if it come with. Oh, it comes with the goodies. 5 flexi rods. Cute. Oh, yeah, there's a whole bunch of stuff in this box. Oh, you're supposed to open the box a certain way. I was supposed to open it on the side. See, my mama always told me I don't ever listen. I'm starting to realize she's right. And I don't pay attention. It's still hard to open though. Like, difficult or what? For what? Attitude me. Shut up. Okay. It's janky now because I messed it up. But in the inside it says, to be honest, you were the most beautiful princess. Thank you for... So I just got a phone call in the middle of my video. And I specifically told people, don't call me. My nana don't listen. Okay, back to what I was saying. Thank you for supporting ISee Princess. Each wig is carefully checked and chosen. And hope said it will bring you beauty and happiness. I hope you enjoy your day with ISee Princess. Your beauty and smile is all we want. It can mean so much to me if you will share the wig on social media, tag us, ISee Beauty Hair. Blah, 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 blah. Then it says, ISee Princess. Oh, hey, my princess. Welcome to join ISee Beauty Club. Woo. Makes me feel fancy. Let's get into the wig. Okay, so I ordered a Malaysian Straight 14-inch wig. I don't know why I did 14 because I'm probably gonna cut it like right here. But hey, you never know. So it comes in this bag. And it also comes with the fishnet. Blah! Close my bag. People are so rude. It comes with the fishnet. You know, that's good. I love to see that because make sure that her straight, girl. Comes with the plastic in the inside. I don't really know why they do that because half the time it just be thrown in there. Oh, they got the little silicone beads. I'm really not feeling this lace. It's so dark. It's so dark. Look at it. Like, I'm light skin, but look at it. It look ashy. Hopefully the person doing my hair, she'll get me right. She'll get me right. But it comes with the adjustable straps at the back. It has the 3 clips and the back piece of lace. I really never use this part. Like, I always get it cut off. But parting wise, I don't know if it's pre-plucked right here. I'm not really feeling it. But it's like a gap right here. There you go. But it's a lot of hair in the front too. Sometimes I like that, sometimes I don't. Only because it takes like a long time plucking. Like, if you pull it back, you see how much is right there. I always left this on my head, but I mean, it's very soft though. It's like giving me long door. Lob. I haven't decided how I wanted to cut this yet, but I think I'm gonna go real short. So 14 inches. Hell no, we're not gonna mess up this wig. So like right there, which is about right for 14 inch. Cause then I used to get beauty supply bobs, and I used to get 12-inch, 14-inch packs. And yep, that's about right. The front is really nice though. There's pieces of stuff in here. It smells like that. AliExpress has a specific smell, and like no matter where I get my hair from, it all smells the same. But no corn chip smell. It just smells like my factory. Don't mind. I'm most likely gonna wash this before I get it installed. But overall, it's good. I get it put in 2 weeks, so I'll definitely do an update and show you my vibe. Oh, and for the ends, baby, these ends thick. They said that. Not playing with you. Not playing with you. Not playing with you. Look at that. Still seeing who? Seeing you, cause not seeing me. But yeah, it's some bounce. It's on body, yaddy. It's not a lot of luster, which I'm okay with because I don't want this to look too fake. This looks like I got good hair. Yeah, I do got good hair. This is my hair. But yeah, overall I really like it. Shipping, I ordered it when I was in Orlando, and I think I ordered it on a Saturday, and today is Wednesday. So Saturday. So then when they do that with it, 4 days. Fast shipping. It came at 10 a.m. today, and I was not playing no games. You was gonna get this video, and it's gonna be posted today too. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll definitely do an update video, and stay tuned because I have a family vlog coming up. It just takes me forever to edit because it was a 4-day trip. 4 day with my bad family, and my family is crazy. So it's a lot of clips and stuff that's gonna be put in there. But stay tuned. I'll see you guys soon. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you got any questions, let me know about this hair. I forgot the density. Maybe I should have said that. I think it was 150, I don't know. It don't really matter for me. But yep, if you got any questions, please let me know. If you want to see any other videos, please let me know. And if you want to sponsor me,